Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to access YouTube Desktop Mobile on your Android device. So the way to normally access YouTube Studio on your mobile device is through the app. You can go to Play Store and search for Studio. So using this app, you can normally access YouTube Studio. But if you want to access the desktop version, what you can do is close the Play Store and open up your browser and type in studio.youtube.com. This will redirect you to the desktop version. So as you can see, this is the desktop version. In order to access it, we have to zoom in. And that's about it. You can access YouTube Studio desktop version on your mobile device through the shown method. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.